A few minutes later.
Mira, come here.
Yeah. No. It's not.
No?
No.
They didn't go here?
Yeah,
'Cause
just...
I didn't think they'd have enough.
Welcome, Nevada. Hoover Dam. Okay, it's welcome,
It's okay.
Nevada.
Welcome to Nevada, Hoover Dam.
You make story. Telling story.
We're getting ready to go over the Hoover Dam drive-through.
Yes. Just look. Okay, this is nice. Wow. It's Hoover Dam.
This is engineering masterpiece. They did it in 1 year back in 1933.
Back when?
1933.
1933. Wow, this is
I
nice.
think they lost about 100 lives building this dam.
This is Arizona. Welcome.
She's looking for a bathroom. Just pee in a cup.
Oh yeah. She thinking have a bathroom there?
I think she was.
Seem like you. You pee in the cup. You're done your telling story? No more?
That's about it.
About it.
Can you get a picture of that sky bridge to the left when we get over here?
Yeah.
And to your left, Marianne's gonna pan over, and that's called the
Yeah, already. Here.
here.
I
This.
saw here. No, I cannot see there. Already here, big one. See? Yeah, here.
It's the sky bridge.
Yep. Sky, over dam. This is over dam. Big sky bridge. Seen so high. Yep. Because this is a nice over dam. Lots of tourists everywhere in the world.
In all the world.
And all the world and over the world.
In the whole wide world.
Welcome. Hoover Dam in Las Vegas, Nevada. And Arizona. This is the one, the big bridge. It's a nice looking. Wow.
All over the world.
Dito ay, tanaw ay. Nabutahin na ako sa kukuhan. Wow.
In the whole wide world.
Dito lang kami sa car dahil para makita talaga yung paano yung bridge niya. Slow. Yan.
So now you gotta pay to park. See, before you didn't.
We have pay now.
Yeah.
PP Premier ko to siya. Wow.
That's a good view of it there. See
Yeah.
the people walking. Okay, kids.
Go home. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Hoover Dam.
Thank you, Hoover Dam. And see you next year. Maybe as long still improve.
Better to come here in the winter time because it's so hot in the summer.
Goodbye. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you for watching, everyone. And then this is my husband driving. And And then this is my daughter, Genevieve, and my Rizali. Riza.
The two
Picturean
beautiful
ina si daddy
daughters.
niyo. My two daughter.
Beautiful daughters.
Beautiful and beautiful. Okay, bye bye. See you. And God bless.